Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode in Realme C55 smartphone. Okay, for this, first open an application. Now swipe down to the bottom of the screen like this to go in one-handed mode. You can see now it is in one-handed mode, and slide up to again go in full screen mode. You can see just swipe down to the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode like this, you can see, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. You can see swipe to the bottom of the screen. Here you can see swipe down to the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. This is the really easy method to go in one-handed mode in Realme C55 smartphone. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in Realme C55 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.